Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you one more project that I've made for our third and final giveaway for the month of, what is this, September. I had a look, I'm like, wait a minute, what month is this? For September of 2024, I'm going to give you an update as to why you haven't heard much from me lately, and we're going to go ahead and choose a winner for this giveaway. Okay, so first and foremost, let me tell you what's going on. Okay, so I have not been very active throughout social media, Facebook, or nothing, because I have a couple of issues with my knee, my right knee. So it turns out that I've torn my meniscus. I think I'm saying it correctly. And I've developed tendonitis, and that is all happening in my right knee. And to top it all off, somehow, I don't know how it happened, but my knee is now shifted. So in other words, let's make believe that this is supposed to be the knee joint, and it's supposed to be facing, straight, right? My knee is now facing this way while my leg is now facing that way. So it's not broken or anything. It just, what the MRI shows is that it shifted. Okay. And what the surgeon said is, we can fix this without surgery. Okay. So I'm going through physical therapy. I'm doing physical therapy exercises every single day, just about. And, oh wow. And today, and when I'm not doing my exercises, I'm either, working in front of my computer, tending to the sales, designing something new for you perhaps, or even doing a project. I'm going to do something with this pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that video. And so anywho, that's what's going on. I'm in a lot of pain, and when I take Alexa, be quiet. So when I take my medication for the inflammation and the pain, it does tend to knock me out. So I go off to La La Land, and you don't hear or see anything from me because I am dead asleep. Alexa, stop. She's whispering to me. What is she saying? I have no idea. Okay, but I'm in the middle of a video, so please, Alexa, leave me alone. Okay? Shh. So anywho, that's that. But the store is still open. I am still working through your orders, and thank you so very much for your continued support. I honestly thank you from the bottom of my heart. And so, yeah, let me show you the additional project that I made. The light's not showing really well. I don't know what happened here, but sorry about that. But yeah, okay. So maybe I'm sorry. For some reason it went dark on me. Okay, so I made a card. This is my attempt at a shabby chic card. Okay. So I attempted doing the edges, shabbying up the edges and kind of like torn. So, yeah. And I went ahead and I added a rose here, and I did my little hat pin thingamajig right along there. I also added some chipboard design pieces from Scrapbook, I believe is what you call it. And I added this, and in my previous video, when I was showing my other giveaway pieces, and if you want to know what the winner gets, I'll go ahead and just link you, because today I'm walking with my cane. So yeah, I'm not going to get up and bring the other stuff forward. So okay, so I made a shabby chic card for the winner, and it's a card in a box, and I'm sorry if you hate it. But I tried. I tried. Oh yes, and it's got some whatchamacallit, some trim that I added there to, I'm trying to make it look like a shabby chic card, but it's like one of those things that you just keep practicing, and practice makes pretty, right? So I made the box for it to go in, and this is going to be in addition to whatchamacallit, the other prizes that I made. And oops, I'm out of that collection already. Not a minute. Okay, I'm going to need to print more. I'm already out of it, but you also are going to win the paper collection to this, which is Parfum. Okay, so without further ado, let me go ahead and gather all of the entries, and we're gonna choose our winner. Okay, so hang tight. Okay, friends, so here we are again. These are the comments, the folks that said enter me on the video, the giveaway video for Parfum and everything that I have made to go with that collection. So there you go, and now we are going to go ahead and go, and these are the entry numbers. And so now we're going to go, sorry, my voice is so raspy. Now we're going to go to random number. Yeah, number generator. Here we go. Okay, so hang on a second. Let me see how I can, sorry about that, do this. Alrighty. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, see, because this is on the way. Hang on. Let me see if I could. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have 11, 12. And we're going to choose. Where's my 1, 2. Okay, and it says número 2, number 2. And the winner is Miss Melinda Davis. Congratulations, Melinda. Oh my gosh. And so, congratulations. I do believe I have your address. So I will go ahead and make you your prize package and send it to you ASAP. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you are not a subscriber of my channel as of yet, see, you get to see my mess. Please go ahead and do so. See, here's another mess. And yeah, more mess. I call it my beautiful mess. Look what I bought yesterday, a new thingamajigger to play with, and this is what I've been doing. This one came out shoddy, but it was just practice. Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel, and always leave me a nice comment, because you never know which video is going to be a giveaway. Obviously, I will always put giveaways, but I'm thinking about also doing surprise giveaways. I don't know. What do you think? And join my Facebook group. We are doing giveaways on there as well. So, yeah, I will come back again real soon to show you what I do with this and other stuff that I've been working on too. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye now.